Okay, so the easiest way I found to pull this back is put your hand right here. And you put your hand under the front side here, pick it up, and you just let it slide down like that. Sliding down. Okay. Got a piece of the wiring stuff there. That's what I need to take. There you go. It's off. That's what it looks like. All right. Okay, let's take a look at this. Here we go. All right. I guess you can probably turn that somehow if you wanted to. I guess that's the burr, moving the burr inside. It's definitely moving the auger. So if you wanted to shim that back burr, you might be able to take that sleeve off and somehow move that. I don't know. Somebody can figure that out. Anyway, why I did this is because I wanted to check that out. Some people were having cracks along the side, and I wanted to show them how to fix those or tighten it up underneath there and how to take it apart and how to unplug the fan. But also, I want to put some dampening pieces on here so it takes away the vibration that makes from this sleeve hitting against this. So I'm going to do that.